Welcome to GRS. I'm Molly, and this is our YouTube show. We don't have a name, but since these videos are for you guys, we want your suggestions in the comments below. We're gonna do tips, tricks, demonstrations, and the first one is how to clean your wheels, because they're dirty.
Well, I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see. It looks something like this.
Here we are at the GRS Training Center. We're in the break room. Gonna show you how to clean on your wheels. When they get a little bit dirty, it's not sharpening so well, we just throw them in the dishwasher. But don't send us your bill when it breaks down or it gets clogged up, because it eventually will. That's why ours is nice and shiny and new. Look how shiny that is. If you want to do it a different way, all you need is a simple brush, toothbrush. Don't use the one you brush with. Brush your teeth with. You need a cleaner. I like using Comet, but you can also use simple dish soap. So, you're just gonna shake a little bit on here. Just add a little water. And then just go to town. Scrub it around. Give it a rinse. And then you're gonna pat it dry. Don't scrub it. You don't want little bits of cloth or paper towel getting stuck in the grit. Pat it dry, and you're good to go. Same process for all the wheels. And now it's time for our Instagram suggestion of the week.
I want you to see.
Eric the jeweler. He's a jeweler out of Long Beach, California, so go check him out. If you want to be our suggestion of the week, tag us at GRS Tools on your next post. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out all of our new videos. Check us out on social media. And like this video, subscribe. There should be a button over here somewhere. Throw your comments down below and be a part of the conversation. Yeah, thank you.